Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A9, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this tablet. So, before we get started, you will want to grab a cable, plug it into your computer, and then have it ready. Next, on your tablet, we're gonna turn it off. So, click on the power button and choose power off. And when the device turns off, place your charging cable in the charging port, though don't plug it in fully just yet. Just have it ready in there, so it makes it easier to later on plug it in. Once you plug it in, it would turn the device back on. So you want to prep yourself by having your fingers on your power button and volume up at the same time. And once you're ready, start holding them. And when you start holding them, you want to immediately plug it in. Next, you will see Samsung logo show up on the screen. Once it does, immediately let go of the power button once you see it. If you hold it for a little bit too long, it initiates a power off or reboot because you are still holding power button, which anywhere outside of Android, it still functions as such. So it's not a side button after all. Anyway, so we're gonna hold power button and volume up and then plug it in. And as you can see, we are now in the recovery mode. Now in this mode, you'll need to use volume buttons to navigate. So with that in mind, we're gonna press volume down to scroll down and select wipe cache partition, and then we're gonna confirm it with the power button. And select yes. I'm gonna move it a little bit to the bottom right here so you can see the writing right here. So confirm. And as you can see, it tells us that it's wiping cache and then cache wipe complete, at which point reboot system now is selected by default. So press your power button once again. And like I mentioned, this will now reboot the device and take us back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.